Hey. Where are we, Osarian?
Out the rainforest.
Yeah?
And I don't know all this stuff.
Tambourine National Park, Palm Grove section. That's what that says.
Why? Amber! Be careful. Why is it a rainforest and it has rain everywhere, Dad?
Well, that's what makes all the plants grow.
Why does it have flags there? Maybe it has zombies and shooting flags here. Maybe in the rainforest they are playing flags versus zombies. So there's people that are not dying. That's fight.
Maybe so.
Super.
I wouldn't be surprised by anything.
Yeah, remember these steps have a lock. Look, we are going down.
This plant just tried to attack me. As Yosarian pointed out, Plants vs. Zombies is active in this rainforest.
I
Guess
told
that makes
you
me a
that
plant, not a zombie.
Dad, I told you a plant.
These are strangler vines, strangler figs. Can you take these umbrellas going all the way up this tree, choking life out of it?
Hey, you're fine. Yeah. I got you.
Eventually the tree will rot inside and nothing but the figs will remain. This root here, see how it's curved? The Aborigines use that to make boomerangs.
No,
I learned that on TV.
This is a rainforest. There's nothing bad is in here. Think that again.
If you guys be quiet, we might see a wallaby, but if you're making noise, they're going to run away.
My buggy's next to me, and he has a gun. So, I don't need any help.
Okay.
No weapons. I don't need any weapons as my buggy's right next to me, not Noble 6.
Oh, so you don't need a boomerang?
What is this?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Maybe we need that for our
It's a
house,
little
yes,
boat.
Arian? Do you want to collect that for our house? We're supposed to bring a backpack to put stuff in.
Yeah, that's a
We've
boat.
got a backpack.
That's a boat. Another boat.
They're seed pods. Look, that one's got bugs in it.
Sassy? What kind of bug?
Oh, I already shook them out. You can pick one. Look, they're all
There's
over.
another one up there.
Look, little ones.
Okay, this big one right there.
It's a new one. Can you hold my hand? Can I see the bugs?
There's
How
no
about we
bugs
just
in
make
this
a
one.
stack of things? So I guess we're going to...
Can I hold your
This
hand?
one's got a worm or something on it.
Can I hold your hand?
Hold my hand, Juniper.
No, I don't care. Thank you.
Please hold my hand. There's slippery parts.
Oh, no. Wait.
Figs for the fig trees.
Yeah, but she needs to hold someone's hand. She's going to slip down.
You need to hold someone's hand.
Oh, Emma's hand.
You're holding my hand.
No, you're not. You hold my hand. Oh, yeah, don't go down that way. Yeah, go down that way. Emma, look. It's nice to make you go down that way, but you know this. That there's no walk there, so you have to go down this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. This way. Whoa. That's not this way. I
I think
focused
it
on.
is. They're all green, which makes them slippery because they're mossy.
Now, I want to knock that away. Look, an alien getting from the wall. I want to knock.
Rainforest.
I want to knock my alien step away. Yeah,
Look at it. Look at it stop.
I'm not
That is
step
cool.
away.
It looks like a squid.
It looks like an alien.
And it's got spikes all down it. It is an alien. Craziness.
A spiky whip. I saw a whip right there. Hey, that's said go away from us. Said go away from us. Said go.
Walk, Sebastian.
There's a spider there.
Yeah.
You got a big stick.
It's deadly.
Stick can go out like really long.
Told you. my stick. 6 can use.
Jennifer, you're not. You're gonna keep walking, please.
6 can use fists. Maybe if you find an alien gun or one of his men's guns on the ground.
Look, we're on the edge of a cliff. Don't want to tumble down there. Yeah, because you see this? It's the edge of the cliff. There's a butterfly.
The only reason you want to go down there is if you didn't
Tumble
find
all the way
light.
down. We won't see you again. Okay, so you're gonna hold my hand. Hold my hand, please, so we can leave.
Hey, Special, take this so I can take one of the kids. Good, I'm slippery, so keep me from falling, please. Watch out, guys, right here. It's kind of
Oh, buddy.
real muddy.
I think muddy.
There's a few places like that.
No! I can't. Get in my way.
Listen, if you scream, then the wallabies won't stay so we can see them.
Yeah, wallaby for dinner. No, wallaby, there's no such thing as a baby wallaby because a wallaby is a baby kangaroo.
A joey is a baby kangaroo. A wallaby is a different kind of animal. A wallaby is a smaller, hyper kangaroo.
What is wrong?
Tidy melons are also a
Watch out for your head. Because I don't know where this big
Grandma Paula sees you crying, Juniper.
No!
Look.
No!
Look at this bridge. Hold my hand on the bridge.
Cool, there's a lizard too.
Where? Ooh, a bed. I love the bed. I didn't see it. There's going to be water.
A little waterfall sometimes.
Juniper, you have to hold my hand or I'm going to pick you up, okay? Shush. You will fall. If you slip and I'm not holding your hand, I won't be able to catch you in time.
Careful, Juniper, careful. Okay.
Let me walk on this side, please. Sebastian, you pay attention, okay?
What?
Pay attention to what you're doing. This is one of those strangler figs that have eaten the tree away. All that's left is the strangler figs. The tree is gone.
I love those types of trees. It's like a skeleton of a tree.
Hold my hand, I'm gonna slip. Watch out for more mud. Here, I'll hold that.
You got a good thing?
No, being sarcastic. Does anybody really want this stick?
Nope.
No. Oh, those are the ones that I
You went up? Okay, just a second.